Hey guys, welcome to Starving Artist Courses, your all-in-one online music education resource. My name is Brian Danzy. I'll be your electric guitar instructor. Last time we went over Beat It, and that was a verse. This time we'll be going over the chorus. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a reference and go ahead and play the chorus so you can hear what it's supposed to sound like. Here we go. Alright guys, so to play this song correctly, like the recording or like in the previous lesson, you're going to need to actually drop tune. What drop tuning is when you take a note and you drop it down a half tone or a semitone. So for this song, we're going to be going from E to E flat. How you can tell what is E flat sound like? And E flat will actually sound like the 6th fret on the A string. So use that for reference for your low E. So as I play this note, I'll play the other note, and I'll drop tune, go down, there we go. So now it's actually in tune, and we got that low E flat. Now the fingering for the actual chorus is going to be open, then the 3rd fret on, which would be, then we're going to go to the 1st fret of the A string, then we're going to go to the 4th fret of the D string, and then we're going to go to the 1st fret of the D string. So I'll do that slow for you. Right, and then we're going to go, after we take that, I'll play it one more time. Then we're going to go up a whole step, down a whole step, then we're going to go 4th fret of the A string. We're going to play that 2 times the first time. It's going to sound like this in all total. Then the second time, we're going to go 1 time. Play that last note 1 time. So do that together. Now in real time, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do that in total 2 times in the song. It does it 2 times. So just make sure you go ahead and practice that for the chorus. Now I'm going to teach you how to play the riff before the instrumental. It's going to be on the 7th fret of the B string and the 8th fret of the G string. It's going to sound like this. So for alternate picking, what that is when you go in multiple directions of up and down, right? Opposed to just down, down, or up, up. So what we're going to do for this part is we're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. If you want to add some flavor to your playing, I suggest trying vibrato. What that is when you bend the string. It's not necessarily bending the string in a guitar solo like a... But notice at the end of that, I actually shake the string back and forth. And that is what we call vibrato. It gives a little bit of flavor and a little bit more personality to my playing. So as I'm doing that lick I'm teaching you guys, I'm adding a little bit of flavor into my playing so it actually has my signature mark on it, what I would call it. So you guys can try that out. It's just basically bending the string up and down. One thing I notice as a guitarist when I play, bending the strings, it's better for you to bend up when you're on the higher end of the strings or the 1st and 2nd string E and B. It's better to bend up rather than down because you really don't have no space. When you bend down, you run out of space. So I actually bend up. Or for the B string, I kind of have a little bit more space, so I can go both ways. Down or up. It just depends on which way I'm going with my playing. So for this riff, we're gonna do. And there you have it. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. For homework, I would say study the song at about 100 beats per minute. The song is actually played at 138 beats per minute. If you would like to have more of a one-on-one lesson with me, go ahead and sign up for memberships on starvingartistcourses.com/memberships. Remember to also like and subscribe to this video. Go ahead and share with your friends and loved ones. I'm glad that you're safe and you're actually able to watch these videos. I really, really appreciate you watching these videos. And we'll catch up with you guys next time, alright?